The brands were not shorting us on new skincare launches this month. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be recapping some of my favorite skincare launches from August of 2025. I do this series every month and I do have full reviews to some of these products. Some of them I am working on or trying at the moment. Very excited because we have some hard-hitting launches coming from some of my favorite brands this month. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. If you are interested in skincare, I do these recap videos every month talking about the new skincare releases, and also I do reviews and skincare content. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you subscribe. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive into this video. I feel like every time Byoma releases a product, it's kind of like a soft launch into hard launch style, and that's been the case with their acne collection. I have personally gotten the acne mist because that is the only product available in the United States at the moment. They have an acne spot treatment, they have a cleanser, they have a moisturizer, an entire acne line coming. I love the toner though to be a soothing approach to treating acne. It's also a wonderful redness soothing treatment as well, and pairs well with actives that are designed to treat acne like adapalene and azelaic acid. Heart leaf water combined with the centella along with the calming ingredients of this collection really makes it stand out, and I feel like it is a unique acne line because they are using so many moisturizing and amazing ingredients in this collection. I've seen in the UK they are selling the entire acne line. Looks very promising. I'm hoping by this time next month we will have the full collection in the United States. Youth to the People has finally released a cleanser for dry skin. This is to complement their adaptogen moisturizer. That was a product I loved when I was first getting into skincare. Very soothing for my skin, very calming. I found that this cleanser is the exact same for me and the perfect balanced cleanse for daytime, for nighttime use, especially as the weather is getting a little colder. I like to use products like this that are very balanced. It is definitely more of a splurge, but because it works so well for my skin, I see myself gravitating towards this product, and I have been since I've tried it. The review is coming tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I feel like sensitive skin, dry skin, combination skin is really going to enjoy because it is pretty balancing. It has some amazing cleansing properties, but is still considerate of the skin barrier, rather softening as well, and also helped a lot of my skin redness. I've noticed that to be the case with more continued use. The Ordinary had one of the best launches this month with their new sulfur to cream spot treatment. I posted my review last week, but this product has just gotten better and better the more that I have used it. It's a unique powder to cream formulation, utilizing amazing technology and the amazing benefits of sulfur in this product to help rapidly clear zits. During that trial, I wasn't experiencing as bad of breakouts as I did after because I tried a product that ended up breaking me out. This product clears zits within 1 to 2 days. I apply it overnight. You can apply it twice a day. I mostly do it at night though because I wake up and my zit is like practically dried up. It is amazing for acne. It also reduces the amount of post-acne hyperpigmentation I experience as well. I am blown away by this product, and I also love the delivery system. The sulfur smell that comes with a lot of other liquid sulfur spot treatments is not as present in this, and I feel like it's thanks to the technology. It is the fastest acting acne spot treatment that I have ever seen, so you definitely need to check this out if you are acne prone. Glow Recipe has been doing an interesting rollout with their vegan mucin serum. This is a newer launch that's launching right around when this video comes out. They were teasing it as a vegan mucin formula without really saying much about it, which is a rollout I've never seen with a serum. They're saying this is supposed to be a plumping, hydrating, and nourishing serum utilizing prickly pear as their main ingredient. Looks to be very promising. I know of some really budget-friendly options for snail mucin alternatives that are vegan. I'm interested to see how this product performs and how it separates itself from some of my other favorite hydration serums. The recipe does deliver on a lot of their formulations. I feel like their hydrating and their barrier strengthening products are some of their strongest ones. Seeing a hydrating serum from Low Recipe that's not from their Plum Plump collection, because those products just don't work for my acne prone skin. I'm excited to see this, especially considering the ingredients they are calling out in it. Being ectoin, being a bioactive peptide complex, some soothing, hydrating, nourishing, and skin barrier strengthening ingredients. I'm excited to see how this product performs. innbeauty Project launched their new Recharge Gel Cream, and I have to be completely honest, this was a great formula. It had some patented ingredients, had some really unique standout ingredients that they created with the complexes of this product, but if I'm being completely honest, I would much rather go for, say, the Cocoa Kind Electrolyte Water Cream or a more budget-friendly option just from performance-wise. But if you do have the means to invest and splurge in it, it could be a good gel cream if you are looking for a very plumping moisturizer. My thing is, there are just so many gel creams on the market. I did want to bring this up because I'm not seeing the level of ingredients in this product in any other formula. However, I still feel like it's just very comparable to a lot of other gel cream moisturizers, like the Cocoa Kind, like the Geek and Gorgeous Hydration Station. There are so many options on the market, but if you've tried a lot of more budget-friendly options and you're wanting something with a little bit better of a complex in it, this may be a good option. I didn't personally see any difference in this in the Cocoa Kind, but if you have the means and you're willing to invest in it, it is another option for a gel cream moisturizer. Educated Mess has a unique launch this month with their Grow Up Hair Lash and Brow Enhancing Serum. This ingredient list, along with how much I trust Educated Mess, is really impressive. I usually don't try lash and brow style products, but with the clinical results I saw with this formula, I have to try this. It's not something I'm going to do a review on. I will more just keep you updated through short form content as I go, but it looks to be a very promising ingredient list, a really promising formula. With the science to back it up, I'm really excited to try this out. Peach and Lily has a new mini protein exosome bioactive ampule that at first I wasn't as excited for, but the more I've seen about it, the more excited I got. This has an amazing complex that's supposed to soothe, nourish, hydrate, and restore the skin like no other. I haven't seen any other formula like this on the market. I'm really excited to try it. I did actually order this for myself last night because of the great science in this formula. Peach and Lily is known for using a lot of great Korean innovations in their skincare, which is something very needed on the United States market. This is supposed to be a great serum to restore your skin and rebuild your skin as well with technology I have not seen with anything else. It's something I've seen with a lot of Korean treatments, not something that you can usually get over the counter. So it's really exciting to see this in a serum on the market. Dr. Ceuracle has launched a new vegan tea essence mist, which is something I'm seeing with a lot of brands with their toner formulations, offering mist forms. I love the vegan tea essence. I feel like a face mist would be a great delivery. I'm interested to see if they changed anything. It seems to be an oil balancing face mist and have some great ingredients in it like vitamin B and of course kombucha and probiotics like the vegan tea essence is known for. But I'm excited to see what this new convenient mist formula looks like from them and also how it performs compared to their vegan essence. Good Molecules has a new rich moisturizer with ceramides, and I'm excited because I was a fan of their gel cream. Their daily moisturizer is just, as it states, a very simple go-to affordable option. This moisturizer is more seeming to target dry to combination skin and being really nourishing for the skin. Ceramides are a great way to rebuild the skin barrier, but I love that Good Molecules puts such a great price point on it, but also takes into consideration great ingredients like a vegan lanolin oil alternative alternative and a great blend of ceramides in this product as well. Good Molecules moisturizers have been really amazing, and I'm excited what this new richer formulation will look like from them. I have never had smoother skin than when I've been using Cyklar's new body polish. Definitely more of an intense body scrub, but I like that they utilize mandelic acid, lactic acid, chemical exfoliants along with pumice to create this beautiful foam that I've not seen with any other body scrub. When I tell you I've had the smoothest skin of my life since using this product, it is such a confidence booster, feel amazing when using it, and it's just a great way to remove the dead skin cells off of your body. It is fragrance free, but I really wouldn't recommend using it on the face. I feel like it's a little intense for that. On the body though, an amazing polish that comes in convenient packaging. I've always hated the body polishes that come in like the tub packaging. I just cannot get into tub packaging. This comes in a squeeze tube, super easy to distribute, super luxurious on the skin, and it's fragrance free. So that way you get to choose if you want to add fragrance to your body care routine or not. Cyklar's also launched fragrance free versions of all their body washes and body creams as well, which I really enjoy. I feel like they are creating a realm in body skincare that is very necessary. Wrapping up this list, a product that I was very sad got discontinued is luckily back. And I think it's because all of the hype it's been getting. cosrx's Ceramide Mist is officially back on the market, complementing their new ceramide cream. I think it has had a little bit of a reformulation, so I'm not sure how it will perform. I definitely am going to be trying out this new formulation because so many people love their Ceramide Mist from the original formula. I love the idea of a lightweight ceramide product that is supposed to deliver a nourishing, glowy benefit to the skin, and that's what this is looking to be. So I'm really excited that they brought it back. So relieved because so many people love this formula. I didn't want to try it because I didn't want to get attached, but now that it is an official release, I feel like I can try it and be comfortable trying it because it is on the market. Let me know if I missed any skincare launches or which ones you're excited for. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.